a Tatra 603 1973 model. Released with an air-cooled V8, this 2.5 litre delivers nothing short of power. The synchronized gearbox came factory with a 4-speed manual transmission with an option to order mountain gearing in place of the standard ratios. In communist Czechoslovakia, only high-ranking party officials or factory bosses could own the 603. The 603 was exported to other countries that were allied to Czechoslovakia, including Cuba and China. And it is known that the Cuban leader Fidel Castro owned a white 603 at one stage. The total number of 603s built is uncertain, as older cars were brought back to the factory, modernised and upgraded, and then returned to service as new cars. This vehicle is indeed a very, very rare car in this country.